Would you like to continue using virtual worlds for language learning, and what would the next step be?
Yeah, I told you before, Frame VR is one of the new virtual worlds I would use because the information, the experiences we have with OpenSim um, made me actually believe that another virtual world would be solving some of the issues we have, the technological issues we have, and we can still have the good experience that my students in my class had. So um, Frame VR has a very low threshold to enter. We don't have to open ports or install software or whatever. You can use it on any device. You can use 3D goggles to actually have a virtual reality instead of a virtual world. Um, the design is much smoother. So, oh, sorry. So the design is much smoother. So yeah, I would like to use virtual worlds for language learning. It helps my students practice German. It lets them meet new people, lets them learn about interesting cultures to improve their digital competences, and maybe the most important, to have fun in doing all of what I just said.